What is Castelfranco? Castelfranco is one of the most underrated vegetables out there, and it's definitely worth your time. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Castelfranco. A lot of you might be thinking, who cares, man? It's just another vegetable. Just another vegetable. Just another vegetable. Oh, whoa, trust me. This veggie is definitely worth your time. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Hey man, Castelfranco, what is it exactly? Castelfranco is a cousin to Radicchio, Treviso, and Escarole. Yeah, but what does it look like? It looks like buttercream leaves with little red specks throughout. What does it taste like? Bitter. Bitter. Actually, it's really bitter. I'm just being honest. But Radicchio itself is bitter, so you can't blame them. You already kind of know what you're getting into. Castelfranco is that, but dialed down just a bit. Often used to add depth to salad, even popular in pasta dishes to add a little color and some crunch. How can you cook it, Carlos? Well, most cut it raw and add to salad, or you can cut them and grill them. Yeah, but where did it come from? It originated in the Veneto region of Italy, and it's been around for centuries. Is it available year-round, Carlos? Yeah, sorta. Sorta. I mean, they really hit their stride when we get into the winter, spring, but it's a plant, so sometimes they run out. It all depends on soil conditions, rain, it's a plant, it's nature. There are only a handful of shippers that specialize in the Castelfranco. And I know you didn't ask, but I'm gonna tell you. Our main source is J. Marchini out of California. You should check out their website. They actually have a lot of cool recipes, but once it's here, where do I store it? Well, you can keep it in the refrigerator like most leaf items. Seal it in a bag and it'll be good for a week. Thank you so much for joining us on our weekly market update. I'm Carlos Sino. We post these videos weekly. You can find us on any of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Don't forget to tell your sales representative to add some Castelfranco to your next order. Thank you very much. And remember, Chefs was founded by chefs for chefs. We'll see you next week.